Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to export or download your Miro board as a PDF or an image in 2025. This is useful when you want to share your work with others who are not on Miro or when you need a clean copy for presentations. Step 1. Open the board you want to export. In the top right corner, click the Export button. Step 2. You will see options like Save as Image or Save as PDF. Choose the format you need. Step 3. If you choose Image, Miro will generate a PNG file that you can download and use in slides or documents. Step 4. If you choose PDF, you can select the page size and orientation before exporting. This is perfect for printing or sending a polished version. Step 5. Once you confirm your choice, the file will download directly to your device. Open it to check that everything looks correct. And that's it. That's how you export or download your Miro board as a PDF or image in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.